Alright guys, for this video we have the sliding transformer, LED functions, music, it's the whole 9 yards. Think of a, I don't know, driving disco ball, if you will. Maybe you've seen the night shots I've done with it with the lights fully on. We're going to go ahead and show this. I want to show it to you in the light. And so we're going to turn this on. It's alive. Simple controller. And we're back with the other controller. Right? And then you're like, okay, the music's enough. I'm tired of the music. And what about the lights? So you got the lights on. You want to save your battery a little bit. One button does that, and then your music. Hold it down, and your music is off. And now you can just enjoy the car. Drives really well. Happy with it. It's built really well and sturdy. And then the transform for the off-road. It is pretty cool. Now, what I want to do is I want to turn the sound on for this, because this is, listen to this. And then go back to street mode. So, by Loozix, yeah, pretty cool.